Consolidated means joined together to become stronger or more organized. It is used when many parts are combined into one. In simple words, consolidated equals combined and made strong. Easy explanation. When things are consolidated, they are brought together in one place. Consolidation helps to reduce confusion, make things clear, improve strength and control. Very easy examples with explanation. The company consolidated its offices. The teacher consolidated all notes into one file. More simple example sentences. The bank consolidated 2 accounts. The team consolidated its plans. The report shows consolidated results. Daily life examples. Bills are consolidated into one payment. Learning is easier when notes are consolidated. Small groups were consolidated into one class. Student sentence. I consolidated my study notes before exams. Easy memory trick. Consolidated equals combine into one and make strong